Hello students, today we are going to learn our civics first lesson, introduction to our constitution. Okay, tell me, what is mean by constitution? Very good. It is a book of political document outlining the basic laws by which a country is governed is called a constitution. Most of the countries in the world are governed according to constitution. The constitution of every country is unique and different than that of other countries. The constitution of every country is influenced by various factors like social structure, tradition, historical background, and geographical setup. These factors are vary from country to country. Let us see one example. Historical background, geographical setup, social structure, tradition in the USA are different from that of India. The problems they face are different. As a result, the needs and objectives of every country are diverse. Every country attempts develop a constitution to fulfill its needs, objectives, and aspirations. That is why constitutions are different in different countries. Now see, the American Constitution came into force in 1789. It is a written constitution and has only 7 articles. In Marathi, what we call that article? Kalam. Even after 225 years, the American government follows the same constitution. England has a long history of several centuries. The Magna Carta of 1215 marks the beginning of the development of the English Constitution. Even though there are certain written rules, the English Constitution is considered to be primarily unwritten. Now see the necessity of a constitution. It reduces the possibility of misuse of power and authority by the government, safeguards the rights and freedoms of the people, establishes the rules of law so there is no scope for misuse of power, increases the faith and participation of the people and their governance, which strengthen democracy, sets the political ideals and creates an atmosphere to attain world peace and security of preservation of human rights, and fixes the responsibilities of the citizen. Now see the what is administration. Administration is the process of taking decision regarding the issues before the countries. Governance is undertaken by the government. The government has to make laws relating to defending boundaries, protection from external aggression. Aggression means what? Enemies. Then eradication of poverty, daridrya nirmulan, creating employment, rozgar nirmiti, education, health, commerce, industries, protection of weaker section, progress of women, children, and tribal people. Tribal people means which one? That Adivasi. Background of a constitution. The process of making the Constitution of India started in 1946. The leaders of the freedom movement insisted on laws to be made by the Indians themselves. For this purpose, a committee known as the Constituent Assembly was set up.